Popcorn. Popcorn, also called popped corn, popcorns or popcorn, is a variety of corn kernel which expands and puffs up when heated. The same names also refer to the foodstuff produced by the expansion. A popcorn kernel's strong hull contains the seed's hard, starchy shell endosperm with 14 to 20% moisture, which turns to steam as the kernel is heated. Pressure from the steam continues to build until the hull ruptures, allowing the kernel to forcefully expand to 20 to 50 times its original volume, and then cool. Some strains of corn are cultivated specifically as popping corns. The Zea mays variety Everta, a special kind of flint corn, is the most common of these. Popcorn is one of 6 major types of corn, which includes dent corn, flint corn, pod corn, flour corn, and sweet corn. Corn was domesticated about 10,000 years ago in what is now Mexico. Archaeologists discovered that people have known about popcorn for thousands of years. Fossil evidence from Peru suggests that corn was popped as early as 4700 BC. Through the 19th century, popping of the kernels was achieved by hand on stovetops. Kernels were sold on the east coast of the United States under names such as pearls or nonpareil. The term popped corn first appeared in John Russell Bartlett's 1848 Dictionary of Americanisms. Popcorn is an ingredient in Cracker Jack and, in the early years of the product, it was popped by hand. Cooking methods. Popcorn can be cooked with butter or oil. Although small quantities can be popped in a stovetop kettle or pot in a home kitchen, commercial sale of freshly popped popcorn employs specially designed popcorn machines, which were invented in Chicago, Illinois, by Charles Cretors in 1885. Cretors successfully introduced his invention at the Columbian Exposition in 1893. At this same World's Fair, F. W. Ruckheim introduced a molasses-flavored candied popcorn, the first caramel corn. His brother, Louis Ruckheim, slightly altered the recipe and introduced it as Cracker Jack popcorn in 1896. Cretors' invention introduced the first patented steam-driven popcorn machine that popped corn in oil. Previously, vendors popped corn by holding a wire basket over an open flame. At best, the result was a hot, dry, unevenly cooked snack. Cretors' machine popped corn in a mixture of 1/3 clarified butter, 2/3 lard, and salt. This mixture can withstand the 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, temperature needed to pop corn, and it produces little smoke. A fire under a boiler created steam that drove a small engine, that engine drove the gears, shaft, and agitator that stirred the corn and powered a small automated clown puppet-like figure, the Toasty Roasty Man, an attention-getting amusement intended to attract business. A wire connected to the top of the cooking pan allowed the operator to disengage the drive mechanism, lift the cover, and dump popped corn into the storage bin beneath. Exhaust from the steam engine was piped to a hollow pan below the corn storage bin and kept freshly popped corn uniformly warm. Excess steam was also used to operate a small, shrill whistle to attract attention.